Right, carriage is going on right now. We got the post set. So we forgot to take this measurement here to there and compare it with the carriage. And so now what the problem is these here are too short. So we're gonna lift this back up and then we're gonna take these 4x6s out. It's about a 10-inch difference or so. So yeah, this is the way it goes. Hey, John, back it up.
Don't admit that the ground grew. I said, don't admit that the ground grew.
Yeah.
It raised.
Yeah. We had an earthquake and the ground shifted. All right, let's try to put this back. That's pretty close.
Movable with bars.
Yeah, we'll move it with bars. So the difference between the cutter and this carriage from here to here is 9 3/4 of an inch. So we took out that 4x6 off of that, and we are adding, and we added the 6x6 there, and it comes to 9 5/8. We're going to be off 1/8 of an inch. Can we live with 1/8 of an inch right about now?
Right now we can.
That's what we make shims for.
We love 1/8 of an inch.
Yeah, so this is our first rodeo. At least this is my first rodeo.
Hey, I built airplanes and Piper Cubs were built plus or minus 1/4 inch. That's no kidding. Said right on the blooper.
Nice.
Take this thing close and then shove it that way.
Yeah.
And I'm hoping we got enough to set it down and then shove it.
Yeah. What about
If not,
come along?
come along with
I got my rope come along.
Yeah,
That'll be enough to pull it.
That'd do plenty.
Come this way a little.
Oh yeah, come on. Got him.
But it should be all right to set down.
I can see the holes on that one. You're through.
All right, hold on 1 second.
A little more. I got holes.
Set her down.
You want to throw a bolt in?
Yeah. Gotta find which ones they are. Wait. No, they're not. Never mind. These big bolts don't fit. Oh wait.
Up raising our husk. to get it level.
Right. Let's shim that up.
Yeah.
Right now we're a half a degree about. So
That's gonna come up. That's what it's showing on the holes too.
yeah. That was easier than I thought it was gonna be, John. Alright guys, day 3. The wind is blowing and we got the other deck on. It's gonna go pretty quick now, I think. We're not working full days in this either. But so we got a string line, and that's how much sag we got. We got actually a 1-inch sag in the center. So we're gonna go ahead and shim the center up. Gotta get it right. Hold on, stop right there. Okay, right there is good, but down on the other end, we're gonna have to jack up the other end too, so.
2/3 on that far side. So if we let it paint stick in, we're in pretty good shape, I think, on each one.
Look at that.
I could lay a paint. I'll go get us some paint sticks. I think.
Well, didn't we have a bunch of
Look at that.
Yeah, there might be a bunch in that one of them drawers.
Nice.
Well, I
Don't
don't.
get much closer than that, I don't think anyways.
Not in Mary.
No. Got shims and she's good to go. All right. Both ends are set. The final adjustments we made when we put the rails on for the carriage to roll on. Could use a nice coat of paint, John.
I know it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got patina, that's right.
I could use a nice coat of paint too.
Yeah, that wouldn't help you.
Every little bit.
The power plant sits right here. So then we got to pour pad for that and get that set. We're pretty close. A few days away. All right, we're gonna get the pad poured for the power plant. That goes there, so it's time to mix a little bit more concrete. 14 bags it's calling for. Well, that's it for day 2 and day 3. So we got the pad poured. Hopefully this thing will be hard enough by tomorrow to go ahead and set the engine on there, the power plant. So yeah, thanks for watching. This has been a fun project, and I'm gonna take you right through it all the way to the point of sawing the first log. So, yep.